Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you back to 1980 to 81, 82 time frame. This is before the Commodore 64. The VIC20, the Commodore VIC20 was a major leap on the personal computing environment. It brought the VIC, which was the video interface chip. So you could do actually graphics at the same time the CPU, or the 8-bit CPU, was doing calculations. So, you didn't lose the screen anymore with nothing while calculations were done, because the CPU that was doing the same thing, right? It was calculating or projecting characters to the video. So the VIC20, like I said, was a major change, and thanks to retro games Limited, by bringing this back to life as a THEVIC20. I got this in the US, it came directly from UK. So let's open it. I just cut this thing, okay? And I will, oh, by the way, I'm doing this together with our friend there, Montezuma, the Techie Axolotl. Okay, so Monty is always in my videos, and he's still sleeping from the previous videos to now. Okie dokie, so let's move on and see what counts. This is the baby here, full-size VIC20 computer. Color, I had a VIC20. I think this is a little whiter than the VIC20, but not by much. So let me take the plastic out and hold the computer. It came very well packed, although the box was shipped this way, so no protection at all. I had to take the labels off the box, really to be, being careful not to damage the box more than it, kind of got some bumps on the side, but nothing I can do with that. So this is the computer. The clicks are very close. You can see, let's see if I can do a zoom in here. The keyboard has the symbols there, right, from the original Commodore. You don't have the Commodore key anymore. You have the VIC20 key, which is the new brand, and the shift doesn't stay clicked down, right? It's more like a more modern typewriter. I don't recall, I have to look into my 64 downstairs, my original one, and see if the letters were with this type of fonts, and if the keys were kind of a little, with some angles on that, but that's the way it is. And this is definitely, you can see here the pound, right? I mean, this is a nice computer. Let's now look into the ports. I got 3 USB ports on the side, so it's one more than the Mini on the side, and another USB in the back, power with the micro USB and the HDMI 720p. Okay, so very heavy. Very nice. I really like the feel of it. It does remind me the previous original one. So let me put the computer back. And I'm being very careful in how I handle this. I didn't open this box yet, so let's do it now. I'll move this to the middle so we can do this over here. Let me just do a big, okay. And by the way, the VIC20 and the 64 are the same machine, right? Inside, same thing. Just the color and the look and feel. One reminds the VIC20, the other one reminds the C64, and maybe a couple of games. The VIC20 has a merge of games from VIC20 and the C64, a little different than the other one, but you can load your own with the new firmware, and pretty much the same machine. This is a special edition of the 64. So opening this thing here, I got the upgraded joystick. Okay, it says upgraded because it has like micro switches compared with the Mini. It does come, I think, with a power supply. There's a very tiny very, manual. Okay, doesn't come with like the VIC20. The original one had like a book like this, right? And here probably got cables and power supply. So let's see. I think it does come with a power supply. I told you that's a UK model, so you expect a UK adapter. Okay, I have to get a US one, but that's fine. And I got some charge cable, normal charge cable, and it should have a short, like the Mini, let's see, short HDMI cable. So again, doesn't come. You're probably gonna need a longer cable or a remote HDMI to HDMI wireless transmitter to play well. But I'm just plugging this back again. I do have many adapters from UK to US, so I'll probably use the same one just with adapter. And that's what I'm gonna do. So plugging this back, moving the manual over here. The box where it was, and this guy was like this, right? Yeah. Closing it up and moving back to the box. So again, this is the VIC20, very close to the original one. Oops, I forgot one major thing here, which is this protection. Okay, cool. See if I can close now properly. And I just like to show one thing before I do it. Again, you can see here the limited edition, right? So that's how it's being sold, limited edition of the 64. So that's it. That's it for today. I hope if you want one, you have your chance to grab one. They were launched in October 2020, not available in North America yet. But Amazon from time to time, Amazon US can bring that to you from Amazon UK. All right. Thank you again. Please subscribe my channel. Bring your friends, family, co-workers. I need more subscribers, please, so I can do more of these. And also you can see the growing phases of my axolotl. Montezuma, the tech axolotl, is always back with me, bringing some technology and good stuff for you. Thanks again for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye.